Is it clear? Yes. Yes, my dear Samuel. Yesterday we had discussed the angle. If the angle is in the form of, if the angle is in the form of 90 degrees minus theta or pi by 2 minus theta, 360 degrees plus theta, 2 pi plus theta. If any angle is in this form, that angle lies in the first quadrant. Remember these points. Similarly, 90 degrees plus theta or pi by 2 plus theta, 180 degrees minus theta or pi minus theta. If any angle is written in this form and theta is always in the, it is an acute angle. Please remember this point. In all these cases, theta is an acute angle. So if any angle is written in this form, the angle lies in the second quadrant. Similarly, if any angle is written as 180 degrees plus theta or pi plus theta or 270 degrees minus theta or 3 pi by 2 minus theta, then the angle is said to be in the third quadrant. And if any angle is in the form of minus theta, 2 pi 270 degrees plus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 360 degrees minus theta or 2 pi minus theta. If any angle is in the form, any one of these forms, then we say that the angle lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, my children. Now let us take the sign. What is the sign? In the first quadrant, in the first quadrant, Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, and this is Q4. In the first quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosecant. Only these two, all cos and its secant, tan and its reciprocal. All these trigonometric functions are positive. All the trigonometric functions are positive in this first quadrant. In the second quadrant, only sine and its reciprocal cosecant. Only these two trigonometric functions are positive, and the remaining 4 trigonometric functions are negative. In the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot. Only these 2 trigonometric functions are positive in the third quadrant, and the remaining 4 trigonometric functions are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal secant. Only these 2 trigonometric functions are Q4, quadrant 4, fourth quadrant, and the remaining 4 trigonometric functions are negative in the fourth quadrant. You have to remember these points, which are useful in writing the values of trigonometric functions. Okay. So to remember all these cases, simply a sentence is there, a simple sentence, that is, by remember this sentence, all silver tea cups. All means in the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. Silver means CSI. So sine and its reciprocal are positive in the second quadrant. And T here, T is given T. T stands for tan. Tan and its reciprocal cot are positive in the third quadrant. And here C means here cos. You should not take as a cosecant, okay, cos only. So cos and its reciprocal are positive in the fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So by taking this sentence, by memorizing this sentence, we can easily find out in which quadrant which trigonometric ratios are positive. All silver teacups. Okay, my children. All silver teacups. This sentence helps us in finding the trigonometric functions which are positive. Okay, my children. Understood this point? Please remember this sentence. Please remember this sentence. Now come to this next point. 90 plus or 90 minus. If any angle is written in this form, with a 90 combination, with a 90 degrees combination or 270 degrees combination, then sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine. First, this angle lies in the first quadrant, 90 degrees minus theta. In this angle lies in the first quadrant. In this first quadrant, sine is positive. So we take positive sign. First we take the sine. And here the angle is written as combination of 90 degrees minus theta. So in that case, sine changes to cos. So cos theta. So sine 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. Understood these two rules, my children? First rule is we have to identify the sine of this given trigonometric function in that particular quadrant. After that, we have to check whether the angle is written with the combination of 90 degrees. If an angle is written with the combination of 90 degrees, sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine. Similarly, see here cos 90 degrees minus theta. If you observe, this angle is also in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, cos is positive. Previously, I told you all the trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. Okay, so this angle is written as a combination of 90 degrees. So cos changes to sine. So sine theta. Similarly, tan 90 degrees minus theta. What is the sign of this trigonometric function in the first quadrant? This angle lies in the first quadrant. Yes or no? Can you tell me what is the sign of this trigonometric function in the first quadrant? What is the sign of this trigonometric function in the first quadrant? Can you tell me? In the first quadrant, tan is positive. So keep positive sign. Keep positive sign. And here angle is written as combination of 90. So tan changes to cot. Similarly, cot 90 degrees minus theta. Cot 90 degrees minus theta. Can you tell me anybody? Ria, Samuel, Nikhil? Yes, very good, Percy, very good, Amma. First, you have to question yourself. You have to question yourself. In which quadrant this angle lies? After finding the quadrant, in that particular quadrant, given trigonometric function is positive or negative. Accordingly, we have to keep that sign, either positive sign or negative sign. Accordingly, we have to keep. After that, this part is over. After that, we have to check whether this angle is written as a combination of 90 degrees, means 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. If the angle is written as a combination of 90 degrees plus theta or 90 degrees minus theta, then cot changes to tan, tan changes to cot, cos changes to sine, sine changes to cos. Understood this point, my children? Now tell me secant 90 degrees minus theta. Secant 90 degrees minus theta. Tell me. What is the value of secant 90 degrees minus theta? Tell me. Secant 90 degrees minus theta. Very good, Ria. Very good, Amma. Percy. Cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 degrees plus theta. 90 degrees minus theta. Tell me cosecant 90 degrees minus theta. Tell me what is the value of cosecant 90 degrees minus theta? Yes, very good, my dear Percy. Secant theta. Yes. Understood all these 6 trigonometric functions? These are very basic points. You have to learn well. You have to memorize. No need to memorize. Just you have to get that logic. You have to find out that logic. Now I will write sine 90 degrees plus theta. 90 degrees plus theta. Now come to this angle 90 degrees plus theta. In which quadrant this angle lies? Tell me. Nikhil, Catherine, Malam, Vinisha, Benjamin, Dishapriya, Richan, Zeus. Yes, this very good. Richan, very good, my dear Richan. 90 degrees plus theta. Previously also I wrote here clearly 90 degrees plus theta. This angle lies in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive? See here. See this figure. Which trigonometric functions are positive? In the second quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive? In second quadrant, can you tell me? Yes, sine and cosecant. So here, which trigonometric function is taken here? Sine. So sine is positive. Sine is positive. Okay. After that, I told you we have to change sine to cos because the angle is written as combination of 90 degrees. So cos theta. Understood this one? Tell me cos 90 degrees plus theta. Cos 90 degrees plus theta. Tell me cos 90 degrees plus theta. In which quadrant this angle lies? 90 degrees plus theta lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant? Second quadrant. Very good. Catherine, very good. Rexilin, very good. My dear Nikhil, very good. My dear Samuel. So in the second quadrant, is cos positive? Is this trigonometric, given trigonometric function? Cos is a given trigonometric function. Is it positive in the second quadrant? See here, see this figure. In the second quadrant, is cos positive? In second quadrant, is cos positive? Yes, yes, very good, very good. Percy, very good, Nikhil. It is not positive. Cos is not positive, means negative. It is negative. Cos is not positive. Previously, I told you only sine and cosecant are positive, and the remaining 4. How many trigonometric functions? Total 6. Total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6, see here, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Total 6 trigonometric functions. Out of these 6 trigonometric functions, already 2 trigonometric functions are positive. The remaining 4 are negative. That means here cos is not in the first quadrant, so it is a negative. Next, it changes. Cos changes to sine theta. Understood this one? Understood this formula, my children? Understood this formula? Next, tan 90 degrees plus theta, 90 degrees plus theta. This angle lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan positive or negative? Tell me, is tan positive or negative? In second quadrant, tan positive or negative? See here, just to see this sentence, negative. Here also, just by seeing this sentence, you can identify tan is negative in the second quadrant, only sine and its reciprocal cosecant. Only these two are positive and remaining is negative. So keep here negative sign. So 90 plus theta is given. It is a combination of 90 degrees. So tan changes to cot. Okay. Similarly, cot 90 degrees plus theta. Cot 90 degrees plus theta. Cot 90 degrees plus theta. Can you tell me, Ria? Cot 90 degrees plus theta. Yes, very good, my dear Ria. Minus tan theta. Next to secant 90 degrees plus theta. Can you tell me, Samuel? Secant 90 degrees plus theta. Samuel, can you tell me secant 90 degrees plus theta? Yes, minus cosecant theta. Very good. Minus cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 degrees plus theta. Tell me, cosecant 90 degrees plus theta. Tell me, my dear Nikhil, cosecant 90 degrees plus theta. No, my dear Nikhil, sorry. Previously, I told you in the second quadrant, this angle lies in the second quadrant. Sine and its reciprocal cosecant. It is its reciprocal, sine reciprocal cosecant. Don't confuse here. Don't confuse here. Not minus secant theta. Secant plus sign only. You get here plus only. Yes. Plus secant theta. Yes. Please remember this point. Don't confuse here. Okay. Next, 180 degrees minus theta. If an angle is written with the combination of 180 degrees, here 180 degrees minus theta, in which quadrant this angle lies? 180 degrees minus theta means less than 180 degrees. Less than 180. Previously also I told you 180 degrees minus means that angle is less than 180 but greater than 90. Which quadrant this angle lies? In which quadrant this angle lies? 180 degrees minus theta. Who will tell for this? Yes, very good, Percy. Very good, Amma. Very good, Melam. Very good, Melam. It lies in the second quadrant. It lies in the second quadrant. Yes, my dear children. Tell me here, we lost Wi-Fi connection, some power cut. Tell me for this one. Here, this angle lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. And another rule, if an angle is written as combination of 180 degrees, the trigonometric function does not change. Does not change. So we write it as it is, sine theta. But previously, if you observe here, we have changed sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, like this. Yes or no? But here we have not changed the trigonometric function. Similarly, cos 180 degrees minus theta. In the second quadrant, remember this point, my children. This angle is in the second quadrant. First, you have to identify the sign. What is the sign here? Can you tell me? What is the sign here? Positive sign or negative sign? Yes, very good, Ria. Very good, Percy. Very good, Amma. Minus. See, this is sentence. Remember, this is sentence. All silver teacups. First word belongs to first quadrant. Second word belongs to second quadrant. Third word belongs to third quadrant. And the fourth word belongs to fourth quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. And the angle is written as combination of 180. So we can write that trigonometric function as it is. Similarly, tan maybe some network issue, maybe. Here we lost network. What about other children? How is your screen? Now is it okay, Samuel? Okay. Tan 180 degrees minus theta. Can you tell me 180 degrees minus theta? Anybody? Anyone? Raise your hand and tell the answer. 180 degrees minus theta. Tan 180 degrees theta. Tell me. Yes, very good, my dear Percy. Minus tan theta. You are following the class nicely. You are following the class. Very good. Keep it up, Mama. Keep it up. Cot 180 degrees minus theta. Tell me. Cot 180 degrees minus theta. Cot 180 degrees minus theta. Tell me. Vinisha. Yes, minus cot theta. Very good. Very good, Priya. Very good. Very good, Samuel. Secant 180 degrees minus theta. Tell me, secant 180 degrees minus theta. Manisha left the meeting. When I asked her a question, she left the meeting. Yes. Minus secant theta. Very good. Very good. Secant theta. Very good. Juice. Cosecant 180 degrees minus theta. Tell me, cosecant 180 degrees minus theta. Cosecant 180 degrees minus theta. Yes, very good. Ria, very good. Percy, very good. Richan, cosecant theta, very good. You are following the class, very good. Keep it up, my dear children. Okay, my dear children, we have written all the 6 trigonometric functions for 180 degrees minus theta. I will ask you 180 degrees plus theta, trigonometric functions of the angle 180 degrees plus theta. These are very, very important points, my dear children. Sine 180 degrees plus theta. In which quadrant this angle lies? 180 degrees plus theta means more than 180. 180 degrees plus means more than 180 but less than 270. You have to take the meaning of this sentence. Very good, my dear. Percy. Very good, Amma. It lies in the third quadrant. 180 degrees plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sine positive or negative? Tell me. Sine. Given trigonometric function is a sine. Yes. Yes, very good. Negative. Very good, Ria. Very good, my dear Richan. Negative. After that, sign changes to cos or sign does not change here. Here sign changes to cos or sign as it is, we should write. Yes, very good. Sine theta. Previously I told you, if an angle is written with a combination of 180 degrees, it may be 180 degrees plus theta or 180 minus theta. Trigonometric functions does not change. Trigonometric functions does not change. Please remember this point. Cos 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me. Cos 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me cos 180 degrees plus theta. Very good. Percy. Very good, Amma. Percy. Minus cos theta. This angle lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot. Only these two trigonometric functions are positive and all the remaining trigonometric functions are negative. So we kept here minus. And moreover, here the angle is written as combination of 180 degrees plus. So trigonometric function does not change. We write cos as it is, cos theta. Understood this point, my children? Tan 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me the value of tan 180 degrees plus theta. Yes, very good. Richan, very good. Percy, very good. Samuel, you are mistaken, my dear Samuel. Not minus. This is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan positive or negative? In third quadrant, don't be confused. Plus tan theta. Cot 180 degrees plus theta. Cot 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me. Cot 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me. Yes, Catherine. Very good. Mela. Very good. Cot theta. Plus cot theta, or we can simply tell cot theta. You can say simply cot theta. Okay. Secant 180 degrees plus theta. Secant 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me the value of secant 180 degrees plus theta. Yes, very good, very good. Very good, Rexline, very good. Ria, very good. Percy, very good. Catherine, minus secant theta. Please remember these steps, my dear children. Cosecant 180 degrees plus theta. Tell me the value of cosecant 180 degrees plus theta. Yes, very good. Richan, minus cosecant theta. My dear Percy, very good. Minus cosecant theta. Okay, my children, please remember these technique. Remember these techniques. Now, sine 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me, sine 270 degrees minus theta. In which quadrant this angle lies? First question you have to question yourself. You have to question yourself. In which quadrant this angle lies? Yes, very good, my dear Ria. Very good, Percy. This angle lies in the third quadrant. After that, come to the given trigonometric function. Next step, come to the given trigonometric function. That is the sine here. In this case, sine. Positive or negative in the third quadrant? In the third quadrant, sine positive or negative? Yes, very good. Ria, very good. My dear Catherine, very good. Percy, minus 2. Sine is negative in the third quadrant. After that, next step is the angle is written as a combination of 90 or 270. If the angle is written as combination of 90 plus or minus 270 plus or 270 minus, please remember this point. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan. Okay, like this. So cos theta, sine changes to cos. Understood this point, my children? Cos 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me, cos 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me the answer for this one. Cos 270 degrees minus theta. Yes, very good. Ria, very good, Amma. Minus sine theta. Tan 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me, tan 270 degrees minus theta. Yes. Cot theta, very good. Very good, Catherine. Very good. Samuel, you are taken, not minus cot theta, plus cot theta. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. Okay. Samuel, please rectify mistake. Okay, my dear Samuel. Don't be confused here. Don't confuse. Cot 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me. Cot 270 degrees. Yes, very good. Ria, very good. Percy, tan theta. Next, secant 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me. Secant 2 degrees minus theta. Yes, very good. My dear Ria, Percy minus cosecant theta. Cosecant 270 degrees minus theta. Cosecant 270 degrees minus theta. Tell me, cosecant 270 degrees minus theta. Yes, very good. Ria, very good. Samuel, very good. Melam, minus secant theta. Put these points, my dear children. Next, sine 270 degrees plus theta. 270 degrees plus theta. See here this angle. Angle carefully, my dear children. In which quadrant this angle lies? Fourth quadrant. Very good. Very good, Ria. Very good, Catherine. Very good, Percy. Very good, Samuel. This angle lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, sine positive or negative? Sine positive or negative? In fourth quadrant, sine positive or negative? Yes, very good. Ria, Catherine, Percy, minus negative. Now, come to the angle again. After identifying the sign either positive or negative, I will again come to this angle. whether this angle is written as combination of 90 degrees and 270, either 270 degrees or 90 degrees. Here, no, the angle is written as a combination of 270 degrees. So in this case, sine changes to cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant changes to secant. Please remember this point. Remember this rule. Understood this point, my dear children? Cos 270 degrees plus theta. Tell me, cos 270 degrees plus theta. Tell me, cos 270 degrees plus theta. Very good, Catherine. Very good, Amma. Minus sin theta. Very good, my dear Catherine. Tan 270 degrees plus theta. Tell me the value. Tell me the value of tan 270 degrees plus theta. What is the value of tan 270 degrees plus theta? All of you kept quiet. What happened? Melam, Rexlin, Zeus,
Sir, doubt.
Ria. What, my dear Ria?
Sir, cos 270 degree plus theta will be sin theta, sir, because cos is plus.
Yes, very good, very good observation. This is in the fourth quadrant. This is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal secant. Cos and secant are positive. So you are mistaken. Okay, don't be confused here. Cos and its reciprocal secant. Both are positive. So we kept here positive sign. So cos changes to sin because is written as combination of 270 degrees. Now tell me tan 270 degrees plus theta. Yes. Cot theta. Very good. Very good. Cot 270 degrees plus theta. Cot 270 degrees plus theta. Tell me what is the value of cot 270 degrees plus theta. Yes, very good. Minus tan theta. Tan theta. Secant 270 degrees plus theta. Secant 270 degrees plus theta. Tell me. Secant 270 degrees plus theta. Very good. Yeah, very good. Let's see. Cosecant theta. Cosecant 270 degrees plus theta. Tell me the value of cosecant 270 degrees plus theta. Yes, very good. Yeah, very good, Amma. Percy minus secant theta. Okay. Similarly, sin 360 degrees minus theta. 360 degrees minus theta. If an angle is written with the combination of 3, in that case also trigonometric functions does not change. Sin comes as it is, cos comes as it is, tan comes as it is, secant also comes as it is, cosecant also comes as it is. In which quadrant this angle lies 360 degrees minus theta quadrant. Yes, very good, Ria. Very good, Percy. Very good, Richan. Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sign is negative or positive? Minus. Okay, minus. Previously also I told you, if an angle is written as a combination of 180 degrees or 360 degrees. An angle is written as 180 degrees plus theta or 180 degrees minus theta or 360 degrees minus theta, 360 degrees plus theta. Trigonometric functions does not change. So we write sine as it is. Theta. Similarly, cos 360 degrees minus theta. Cos 360 degrees minus theta. Tell me value of cos 360 degrees minus theta. Yes. Very good, Ria. Very good, Ma Percy. Samuel, again you mistaken. You are mistaken, Samuel. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, not negative. Not negative. Don't be confused, my dear Samuel. Cos theta. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Okay, my dear Samuel. Please remember this rule. Tan 360 degrees minus theta. Tan 360 degrees minus theta. Tell me the value of tan 360 degrees minus theta. Yes, minus tan theta. Very good. Minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. Cot 360 degrees minus theta. Cot 360 degrees minus theta. Tell me. Yes, very good. Very good, Percy. Very good, Ria. Minus cot theta. Secant 360 degrees minus theta. Secant 360 degrees minus theta. Very good, Richard. Very good, Ria. Very good, Percy. Secant theta. And finally, cosecant 360 degrees minus theta. 360 degrees minus theta. Yes, minus cosecant theta. Very good. Very good, my dear Ria. Very good, Percy. Okay, my dear children. Like this, you have to find the values of trigonometric functions. Okay, my dear children. Now the time is 18:04. Now you can leave the meeting. We continue the next class. We continue this concept in the next class. All of you take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home, stay safe, sanitize your hands frequently, and maintain social distance of 2 meters away from others. Do your work sincerely and seriously, and thank you all. Samuel?
Sir, next class on Thursday, sir.
Next class Thursday. Tomorrow class is not there. Tomorrow.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
For you? Tomorrow is there.
It could be leave on Wednesday, sir.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay, my dear Samuel. Okay. If there is a holiday for tomorrow, we will meet on Thursday. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. On what occasion? Tomorrow is holiday?
Sir, Bakrit.
Okay. Okay, my dear Samuel. Okay. In the meantime, read the, okay, go through the, write the notes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Samuel.